Let's learn some new concepts in chapter 8, mixed numbers. Let's revise from grade 6. You know that a mixed number has the form as in this example 5 over 3. This is a mixed number. Also, you know that this mixed number means it's equal to the sum of 5 with the fraction 2 over 3. Also, let's revise how to change a mixed number into a fraction. I will take the same example 5 over 3 and I'm going to write it in the form of a fraction. To write a fraction we need a numerator and a denominator. The denominator of this fraction is the same as the denominator you see it in the mixed number, which is a 3. So copy it. Now the numerator. To find the numerator, follow the following steps. First of all, I multiply 3 by 5, it's 15. Then 15 will be added to 2. It will give me 17. So the numerator is 17 and you will get the fraction 17 over 3. Another example, minus 3 over 5. It's negative. I want to write it as a fraction. Before anything, this minus, copy it. After copying the minus sign, now change the mixed number 3 over 5 into a fraction. As we do up, copy the same denominator, which is 5. Now find the numerator. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23, and you get the negative fraction minus 23 over 5. Exercise. Change the following periodic numbers into fractions. Part A, 3.2 bar. Write it at the beginning as a mixed number. How? First of all, I put the integral part, which is 3, on the line. Then I prepare a form of a mixed number. As we learned last time, I write the fraction in the form 2 in the numerator because it's the periodic part, and 9 in the denominator because the periodic part is formed of 1 digit. Now this mixed number, change it into a fraction. We copy the same denominator 9, then 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29, so the numerator is a 29. Another example, part B, 10.312 bar. Also write it in the form of a mixed number. I put the integral part 10 on the line. Then I write the form of a fraction. In the numerator I write 312, the periodic part. The periodic part is formed of 3 digits, so I will put in the denominator 3 nines. 999. Now this mixed number, change it into a fraction. I copy same denominator 999, then 999 times 10 is 9990, added to 312, it will give you 10,312 and you get a fractional form. Now also revision of objective, irreducible fractions. A fraction is said to be irreducible if its numerator and denominator have only one common divisor, which is 1. Let me explain it by an example. 4 over 15. Is 4 over 15 irreducible? Yes. Why? Because using my divisibility rules, I can't find a common divisor between 4 and 15. So I just find a common divisor, which is 1. For this reason, 4 over 15 is called an irreducible fraction. Is the fraction 10 over 25 irreducible? I ask myself, can I find a common divisor between 10 over 25 using divisibility rules? Yes, 5. 5 is a divisor of 10 and 5 is also a divisor of 25. So I find a divisor other than 1 for 10 and 25. For this reason, 10 over 25 is not irreducible. Let's reduce this fraction. Let's write it in irreducible form. We say that 10 and 25 have a common divisor, which is 5. So divide up and down by 5, you will get 2 over 5. Is 2 over 5 irreducible? Yes, because 2 and 5 have no common divisor other than 1. So it's irreducible form. Another example, 16 over 24. Is 16 over 24 irreducible? No, because at least I can see that 16 is divisible by 2 and the 24 is also divisible by 2. So there are a common divisor between 16 and the 24 other than 1. Let's change it into irreducible form. Divide up and down by 2. You will get 8 over 12. Is 8 over 12 irreducible form? Also no, because at least I can find a common divisor between 8 and the 12. I can find 2. Also, 4 is another common divisor between 8 and the 12. So let's divide up and down by 4. I will get 2 over 3. Is 2 over 3 irreducible? Yes, because 2 and 3 have no common divisor other than 1. And a very important note, you can divide by the greatest common divisor of 16 and the 24, which is 8 directly, and you will get the irreducible fraction. I mean, if you divide 16 over 24 directly up and down by 8, you will get 2 over 3, the irreducible form. Watch this video more than one time, then solve your homework.